Welcome back. In this training video, we'll learn how to browse lead histories and see how it corresponds with FOURA's semi-autonomous sales funnel. So let's get started. FOURA's Browse Lead History form provides valuable insights into the latest status for all active leads, and it can also provide visibility into a customer's journey through the sales process. Using the Browse Lead History form, it's easy to answer questions like, how long did a specific sale take? How long does it take a customer to go from discovery to a quoted solution? And where in the sales funnel are we losing opportunities? These and many more questions can be answered using the Browse Lead History form, which can be found in the Sales and Pricing main menu, then in the Sales sub-menu, which displays the Browse Lead History menu icon in the functional menu. The form can also be accessed by typing BLH into the menu code area on the FOURA Navigator. The Browse Lead History form operates just like any other browse form in FOURA. Columns can be made visible and customized through the column chooser. Filter syntax and the use of quick filters can help you find the exact data that you're looking for. If you need more information on these, please see FOURA's help files by pressing F1 or visiting FOURASoft YouTube channel and view additional tutorials. For the sake of this video, we'll assume that you already understand the structure and requirements of FOURA's sales funnel. As the sales opportunity matures, the sales order process is all captured and processed in FOURA. The Browse Lead History form captures those key changes and keeps a record of just how long it took for each customer to advance through each stage. In the example here, we see a customer started at 0% probability. Then the customer was assigned to an account manager, which brings the opportunity up to 10%, with the average sale for this order type being entered. This account manager did not document the Q&A information that the business requested, but provided a customer a quote within 6 days of the account manager assignment. 2 weeks later, the customer received a revised sales quote, and a sales order was produced just 2 days after that. We can also see that invoicing and payment was finalized 23 days ago. So as you can see, FOURA captures changes at every stage along the sales lead process. It's highly likely that sales managers are going to want to look at this information. They may want to export this to Excel and analyze the average stage days by order type, or look at how many days it takes a customer to get through a particular stage. Perhaps a sales manager simply wants to better understand where opportunities are advancing or being declined in the sales process. All of this and more is at the sales manager's fingertips. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. Please be sure to check out additional tutorials to learn more about FOURA's powerful features, processes, and tips. Thanks for watching.